Well, they caught me when I bashed Bradley's head. Now I'm in jail. Sex balls. My roommate Bubba wants to butt rape me. Luckily my brothers in the hood hooked me up with the Ass Protector 3000. John's not in here because he's a little pussy and he ran away. But he's filming right now. They just don't know it. There's some shit on the wall right here. I don't know what it is. I think it's the blood from my last roommate. Wait. Oh yeah, up here. I don't know. This is yeah, my cell's kind of dirty. Well,
it's kind of small too.
Yeah, I'm like, this is my cell.